Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to the channel. Dear viewers, today we are exploring beststock.ai, a next generation platform that brings artificial intelligence into the world of stock research and financial analysis. It's designed to help investors and analysts save time, gain clarity, and access in-depth insights across the stock market. Before we get into the details of the project, here I would like to request all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Osis NFT, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out the notifications of the further upcoming videos. Dear viewers, keep it in mind this video is being made only for informational and educational purpose. It must not be considered as financial investment advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decision. Let's dive into the details of Best Stock AI. Dear viewers, Best Stock AI is more than just a stock analysis tool. It's a complete AI driven research hub that processes financial statements, earning transcripts, market data, and sentiment, delivering structured insights in real time with features covering everything from portfolio tracking to market analysis. BestStock.ai offers an all-in-one solution for smarter investing workflows. So here we discuss each and every detail of Best Stock, the modern financial data analysis agent. Here you can check out a beautiful research flow. Later I will explain by signing in. Here you can check that it's a AI-powered financial analysis. It provides you, and it's a complete corporate financial intelligence, and its key features are AI financial insights, full US stock coverage, and back testing and visualizations, and portfolio management tools. Daily curated research are the amazing features. Here you can check out the ticket explorer and advanced data visualization and analysis. Smart portfolio constructions and strategy analysis are the amazing feature. Here you can get the details about what users love about Best Stock. So these are the reviews of the different platforms and different viewers about the Best Stock, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out these reviews about Best Stock. And here you can also check out the smart portfolio construction and strategy analysis. Later I will explain it, and if you have any question regarding, you can get detailed answer. Still you have any question, don't forget to drop your question in the comment section of the video. And the next feature is, here you can see the dividend calculator. Dear viewers, dividend calculator provides you easily calculate potential dividend income based on your portfolio or watch list. Dear viewers, if you want to sign in, the simple process is just to sign in. Here click sign in, and you just continue by logging in with the Google. You will have to continue with your Google account, and you can easily go to the dashboard of the Best Stock AI. Here you can check out the amazing features: Copilot, market trends, analysis screener, watch list, trade AI resources, capital trade, stock weights, company AI, and calendar. The first one is Copilot, an AI assistant that guides you through financial data, offering simplified explanations. And if we make a query, what was Tesla's revenues for this quarter? Here we will put our query, and the Best Stock AI Copilot will respond it, and it will provide us a detailed answer. And the AI assistant will guide you about the financial data. And here you can see that Copilot Best Stock AI assistant is providing us detailed answer about the query that we have made about the Tesla's revenue for this quarter. So here you can check out that it is providing us the detailed information. Next feature is market trends. You can check out the details of comprehensive overview of market activity, sector trends, and performance matrices. Here you can check out the details of the market trends. And the next one is screener. Here you can check out the details of the screener's customizable actionable filters to quickly identify stocks that match your specific strategies. And here you can check out the next feature is watch list. And in watch list you can create and track personalized list of companies to follow in real time. And the next feature is trade AI powered trade ideas and strategy exploration to support decision making. And in the resources sections you can check a curated library of guides, tools, and educational material to help investors deepen their market knowledge. The calendar section is likely a scheduled based interface showing upcoming past important events in the stock market that can affect stocks you follow. It helps users stay aware of earnings, dividends, economic reports, etc., so they can plan and react. Here are what the typical components might be. You can check out the details of the calendar section here. You can check out your earnings, you can check out your dividends, you can check out your IPOs, and you can check it by dates. Dear viewers, BestStock.ai combines the power of artificial intelligence with a full suite of market research tools, making it a valuable platform for both new and experienced investors. If you would like to explore these features yourself, check out the official websites. All important links are conveniently located in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. For ongoing updates on financial tools, crypto and blockchain projects, be sure to subscribe and stay connected with our channel. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.